Hi there, welcome to another amazing quick video tutorial with KingTech Coding Clinic. Once again, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can get Udemy courses all for free. Okay, depending on the course you would want to learn, I'm going to show you how you can get all these courses for free. You and I know that for you to get access to Udemy courses you would have to pay. Okay, however, maybe you don't have money or whatever, but I'm going to show you how two legit ways we can follow to get all these amazing courses for free. Stick around till the end of the video, please, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also smash the like button so that you'll be able to get notification anytime we upload new video tutorials. It's going to be very easy, straightforward, and fun. Let's delve right into that. All right, now we are back. Before we delve right into that, just make sure to subscribe to the channel. You press the bell icon so that you can get notified anytime we upload new video tutorials like this. Also smash the like button. Okay, now the first thing we need to make sure is you should have your Udemy account. If you don't have it, then we go to the browser, you just type Udemy. Okay, just hit enter, and from here we should proceed and then click on the first link here. There we go. So what we are going to do here is to sign up. If you already have the account, you click login. So since I'm going to show you how you can sign up, so what I'm going to do is to click on sign up. So I just click on this sign up, and then here you just enter your name. So let me enter the name and then the email address. Okay, so let's see, this is the email address I'm going to use. Is there we go. Then the password I'm going to use, just type it there. There we go. Very strong. So I just click on this. If you wish, then just click on sign up. So let's see what's going to happen. So there we go. So now we need to maybe fill out certain things here. Say enter a new field. What is your current career goal? Maybe enter a new field, whatever. Just choose that and then you click next. And then so what profession are you learning for? Let's see, let me just say ethical hacking. Let's put it that way, ethical hacker for short. So there we go, and there we go. Let's click next, and there we go, finish. So now our account should be ready and up and running. So for now we don't have any course, but you can see we just sign up from here. So now the first step we're going to follow to get Udemy courses for free is just Google search. Okay, let's just open a new tab here and then come to your search bar and just type, okay, let's say you will need Udemy courses on cyber security or ethical hacking. Okay, what I'm going to say is maybe just type free Udemy courses on ethical hacking. Just click on this. So now with this you have tons of free Udemy courses to go with. So you can see all these ones are all free. It's as simple as that. So what you're going to do is just to click on this. Okay, let's see this one here. Okay, now let me just click on this link here for you to see here what's going to happen. So since we've already signed up with the same account or the browser, so you see that we have all these courses for free. You can see that ethical hacking, then depth suits, and you can see all the courses. These are all free courses. So what you're going to do is just to click on enroll. Once you click on enroll, you proceed and then finalize everything, and then you start with your lesson. So you can see it says what, start course for free. You don't have to pay a dime to get this in. So you see that it's as simple as that. Please just smash the like button. Now the next method, so now let's allow this to refresh, and then we have our course up and running. Then we proceed. So we can start our free course from here. You can see that we have that here up and running.
All right, welcome. This is an introduction to the ethical hacking base.
Now the second method is I'll be leaving the link to that particular website in the video description. So this is the link. So what I'm going to do is to copy this link, and then let me go to my browser here, then Control V to paste this link and hit enter. Like I said, I'll be leaving the link to this in the video description. The name of the site is what, 999 courses or coursesale.com. Okay, so what you're going to do is to go through all these courses. You see, these are all free Udemy courses. So you look for your preferred course. Okay, let's say I would want to go for executive diploma in what, operation management. This course expires what, on 18th of February. So what I'm going to do is to click on view course from here. So this will navigate me through the course. So you can see the course is here. As you can see, it's for free. So what I'm going to do is to click on enroll now. There we go. So there we go. So I'm having the course absolutely for free. So what I'm going to do is to click on, you can see total is enroll. So you click on enroll. So there we go. So we just start course. You click on start course from here, and then it should have that up and running. So with this, you should have free Udemy courses with certificate at the end of your course. So you click on this and then you start your lesson. So basically that is that. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified anytime we upload new video tutorials like this. Now next series of videos. Thank you so much for watching and bye for now.